Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or not. And quite frankly, I don't care.
This guy was smug. Thought a DUI was no big deal, just show up, say sorry, walk out. But then the judge asked him if he was in the country legally, and everything flipped. No license, no immigration status, and a whole lot of bad decisions catching up fast. He didn't realize how bad it was until the judge started talking deportation and jail time. Do you guys think the courts are handling illegal immigrants the right way? Or is this getting out of control? Let's go ahead and dive in and watch.
Are you Arnaldo Bernabe Larios Tayun?
Yes, sir.
Order in the court, please.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be afforded to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
Can I just slow down just a tad?
Yes,
Please.
of course.
Order in the court.
Vehicle was.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection
Estacionado en
of
el
a public
intersección de
roadway
la calle pública
in Harris County,
del condado
Texas,
de Harris County,
with the
Texas,
driver
con el
asleep at the
chofer ahí
wheel.
dormido en el volante.
Upon
El perdido,
arrival,
los policías,
officers located
ellos,
defendant's motor vehicle
encontraron el
and
vehículo,
observed defendant to be the
y lo
sole
vieron, que era el
occupant
único
of the
que estaba
vehicle.
en el vehículo.
Upon contact
Cuando
with the
hicieron contacto con el
defendant,
acusado,
officers
los
observed
oficiales
red
vieron
glossy
que tenía
eyes,
los ojos brillosos,
slurred
la
speech, and
tonalidad
an odor of
para hablar, y un olor
alcoholic
de
beverage emitting from the
que venía
defendant's person,
de su persona.
along with poor
Cuando
balance.
también no se podía balancear.
The defendant
El
admitted to
acusado
drinking,
admitió de que
and
había
an
tomado,
inventory
y
of
cuando
the
hicieron
vehicle
inventario del vehículo,
yielded several
vieron
open,
que
cold to the
varios
touch beer cans,
Drinking while driving?
Siendo y tomando,
most of which were mostly
cuando
empty.
la mayor parte estaban vacíos.
SFSTs were
Las
conducted,
FST se hicieron
6 out of 6
6 de la
HGN,
HGN,
plus vertical gaze
también el
nystagmus,
nystagmus vertical,
and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand.
3 de 4 de pararse en una sola pierna.
The defendant failed to perform the walk and turn
No pudo
because he
hacer
failed to
caminar y
follow
voltear porque no
instructions.
siguió las instrucciones.
DICs were read but
Entonces se le
refused,
leyó,
and a
se
warrant was
negó.
signed and
Entonces se
executed.
firmó una
He
orden y
has
se
no driver's license,
hizo.
judge, and no
No tenía
prior criminal
licencia ni
history.
tampoco tenía ningún antecedentes.
I would hope
Yo,
that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun.
señor Tayun,
Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
míreme, no,
You're not
a usted
allowed
no
to
se le
drive.
permite conducir.
What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
¿Es ciudadano americano?
No.
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
without.
What happens if you go to jail?
I don't know, I believe that return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit
Usted va
in jail
a la cárcel.
waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration.
Lo mandan con
But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months, waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic
Ese no es muy
with people
simpático.
who are in immigration custody. Do you understand?
¿Entiende? Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you
Una condición
and your bond. And if you violate it in any way,
condiciones,
then you will go to jail. The reason you got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond.
pedimos
It
una-
will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to,
si acaso
then I'm going to make your bond extremely high.
You can hear this shift the second the judge starts talking immigration. This guy isn't scared of jail, he's scared of what comes after the jail, and yet somehow he still doesn't get it. He showed up with no license, just open containers in their car, and no legal status. And he still thought he might just walk out with a warning. The judge gave him one last shot. No driving, no drinking, no second screw up. But honestly, it really does not sound like it landed for this guy. I mean, you can even see it in his face. He's nodding like he understands, but inside he's already thinking about how to get around it. And when he gets caught again, because he will, he's not just getting locked up, he's getting deported. And he's gonna act shocked all over again.
This is a promise that you're going to make to me today, that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life.
A mí no me importa.
You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. So if you drive 3 times, I will have 3 contempt hearings. You are also not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. And let me be frank with you. If they charge you with the open container, that is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I'm going to tell you, if you do anything more than 4 hours in custody, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody with an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive? I'm not done yet. After that, you will get to Ramona where you will sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions. This is the only warning that you will get from us, Mr. Tayoun. So take it. If not, you will spend a lot of time with us. When you come back, please have a lawyer, sir. Now you may go.
Now it's time for the second guy who walks in like it's his turn at the DMV. No urgency, no fear, just going through the motions. Except this isn't paperwork, this is jail time we're talking. And with that blood alcohol level, he's lucky he didn't kill somebody. He had 5 empty bottles in the car, 1 still full. Like he cracked a 6-pack before he even hit the road. Pretty much this one just goes in one ear and out the other. They don't hear immigration hold, they just hear blah blah blah, don't do it again. And when they end up in ICE custody for months, they act like nobody warned them.
Okay, Luis Armando Hernandez Ramos,
Yes, I am.
charged with driving while intoxicated. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On November 9th,
El 9 de
2024,
noviembre de 2024,
officer conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle at approximately 10:47 p.m. after observing it weave between 2 lanes and fail to signal lane changes. Upon contact with the defendant's vehicle, the officer observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage, red glassy eyes, slow speech, unsteady balance, and a glazed over look. The defendant had inconsistent statements and trouble with the timeline of the evening. The defendant admitted to drinking beer in his truck prior to driving. Standard field sobriety test.
Did he have alcohol in the car while he's driving?
Your Honor, yes, and towards the end of the statement. So, officers conducted standard field sobriety test, a GN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, and a 1-leg stand 3 out of 4. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce.
Corona, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Oh, pardon.
Go a little bit slower, huh?
Yes, Judge. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle, with 1 ounce of fluid in the bottle, and 1 empty 24-ounce Modelo.
Un modelo vacío.
Drinking while driving?
Se está manejando.
DIC was red,
Le leyeron su
and defendant
y
consented
el
correct.
acusado
The results were .174 and .173.
y punto 173.
Mr. Hernandez Ramos,
Vamos.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
Ciudadano de Estados Unidos.
Presidente.
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or
Yo
not.
no sé si lo
And
es o
quite
no.
frankly, I don't care.
Francamente, a mí no me
This is the part where reality creeps in. The judge makes him sort of stop driving, drinking, everything, and not like try your best. He's saying one slip up equals 6 months in jail every single time. You violate once, you're stuck. You violate twice, you're buried. This isn't a suggestion, it's a setup. Because one of these guys will get back behind the wheel. And when they do, it's not just contempt charges, it's immigration, it's court dates, it's jail holds with no end date. All because they thought they could outsmart the system again.
importa.
But one thing I want you to understand is if there is any problem with your immigration paperwork whatsoever, and you go to jail and immigration finds you,
A la cárcel.
they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in jail until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months.
6 a 9 meses.
I hope that you would recognize it's damn elementary for you not to have alcohol in the car while you
dentro de su
are driving. You now,
Ahora,
I am barring you from driving whatsoever.
ahora,
You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. If I find that you drive in violation of this affidavit, I can have a hearing to hold you in contempt, slap you with up to 180 days every time you drive.
yes, cada vez
Do
que
you
maneje.
understand?
¿Entiende? Yes.
You cannot give any justification at all for getting into a car and driving.
So,
And there will be a very hefty toll.
a ver,
I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I will randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs or unprescribed controlled medication, likewise, you will go to jail.
va a ir a la
You
cárcel.
will not get any more PR bonds. And like I said, any issues with your immigration whatsoever,
Ya lo que sea,
you will be with me for a long time.
va a estar ahí por largo tiempo. Okay.
I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive.
Va a jurar que
I
usted
will
no
have
va
you
a
sign a receipt with Victoria. I will also have you sign your bond conditions with Felicia. We will get you out of here because you need a lawyer to represent you, and we will give you time to go hire a lawyer.
Le vamos
When you come back, hire a lawyer. If you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Viene otra vez. Yo entonces voy a dar una orden de arresto.
This is the part that always hits. They think they're walking out free, lucky, whatever, but the second they mess up again, it's jail, then immigration, then gone. And they always act surprised too, even when they've been warned like 5 times. I want to hear from you guys though. Do you think the courts are doing enough to stop this kind of stuff? Or are these cases just repeating because nobody takes illegal immigrants seriously? But yeah guys, new courtroom videos every single day. I appreciate you guys watching. Take care everyone.